Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the named input method, and as the name suggests, this input method basically takes the name of the key, basically the column name, every time we assign a variable. So let's see how we do it. So first of all, the declaration is also slightly different from the other input methods. So we have to always uh, write the column name is equal to, and of course if it is character, then dollar name is equal to, then age is equal to, because it's a numeric, so there's no use, there's no we don't need to put dollar, but yeah, age is equal to will be there. Class is equal to, again dollar, because class is a character variable. So for character variable we have dollars, and for the numeric variable we just have single is, we only have equal to. And when we assign a value in these variables, then also we have to type the name of the variables, name of the columns, that name is equal to John Johnny Senior, name is equal to Ron, name is equal to Lisa, student ID is equal to S01, and so on. So this is slightly more tiring. Imagine we have 50, 100 columns, and then we agree every time we have to type the name of the column, uh, you know, uh, for all the values we are assigning. So let's run this and let's see the result. See, so this is the result we have, which seems good. So this is like slightly more specific, when we have to be very specific about how what to assign, to which to assign, and we are not sure that how many spaces will be there and what order might be different in different rows. Now here there's one more thing, one more flexibility we have over the column and formatted input method is, of course, even here we don't need to care about the number of spaces, or the order of the column. We don't need to care, because we are actually giving the name. So wherever we put this name, it'll pick it up. But here one more thing, one more flexibility we have is, we can be inconsistent across rows as well. So in column and formatted, despite all the advantages we had of flexibility, we had one issue, that the rule will apply to all the rows consistently, but in this method we can be inconsistent across rows as well. So I can, for the first row I put the name as a first column, and the second row I can put name here, because we are giving name, that this is for the name column and name is equal to Ron. So the SAS knows that the Ron goes to name column only, so wherever we put it in whatever row. So let's say here I put student ID at the last. So I'm just juggling everything, and then let's run and see what is the result now. And if we see that the result is same, so that's one more flexibility, that we can be inconsistent across rows as well, which was not there even in formatted and column input method. Although similar to column and formatted input method, it is also you can say very time taking. I mean, there's a lot of efforts required in this, coding this, in comparison to list input method, where we just have to put the value, we just have to take care of the spaces and the order. Otherwise, column input method, formatted input method, and named input method, of course, they require more effort, but of course they are more flexible as well. So yeah, that's named input method uh, for you, and thank you for now.